In this video, we will talk about Top 10 Unsolved Mysteries. 1. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, is famous for the mysterious disappearances of numerous ships and aircraft. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this area has been associated with paranormal activity and unexplained phenomena. Reports of missing vessels date back to the early 20th century. While many theories attempt to explain these disappearances, including magnetic anomalies, methane hydrates, and even alien abductions, none have been definitively proven, leaving the Bermuda Triangle one of the most enduring unsolved mysteries of the world. 2. The Lost City of Atlantis. The legend of Atlantis comes from the ancient Greek philosopher Plato. In his writings, Plato described Atlantis as a powerful and advanced civilization that sank into the ocean. He said it was a prosperous island nation located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, which is known today as the Strait of Gibraltar. Over the years, many have searched for Atlantis and proposed various locations where it might have existed. However, no conclusive evidence has been found to prove its existence. Some scholars think Plato's story was meant to be a moral or philosophical lesson, not a historical account. Yet the mystery of Atlantis endures, with some people still hoping to find proof of its existence. 3. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a mysterious book filled with strange drawings and unreadable text. It was found by Wilfrid Voynich, a bookseller, in 1912. The book is believed to be from the early 1400s. Its pages contain pictures of plants that don't exist, charts of stars and planets, and drawings of naked people in odd poses. The text is written in a script and language that no one has been able to figure out. Many experts, including code breakers and language specialists, have tried to understand it, but they haven't succeeded. This has made the Voynich Manuscript one of the biggest unsolved mysteries ever. The book's purpose and meaning remain unknown, adding to its intrigue. 4. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart was a trailblazing pilot who disappeared on July 2, 1937, while trying to fly around the world. She was flying with her navigator, Fred Noonan, and their last known location was near Holland Island in the Pacific Ocean. Despite a massive search effort, neither Earhart, Noonan, nor their plane was ever found. Many theories exist about what happened to them. Some believe their plane ran out of fuel and crashed into the ocean. Others think they might have been captured by the Japanese as World War II was approaching. However, without any concrete evidence, Amelia Earhart's disappearance remains one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history. 5. The Zodiac Killer. The Zodiac Killer terrorized Northern California in the late 1960s and early 1970s, claiming at least 5 confirmed victims, though he claimed to have killed as many as 37. The killer taunted police and the public with cryptic letters, some of which included ciphers that have yet to be fully decoded. Despite extensive investigations and numerous suspects, the Zodiac Killer was never caught, and his true identity remains unknown. The case continues to intrigue and baffle criminologists and amateur sleuths alike. 6. The Wow. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Emmons detected a strong narrowband radio signal. While working on a CTI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence, project at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. The signal, which lasted for 72 seconds, was so remarkable that Emmons wrote "Wow" next to the data printout, giving the signal its name. Despite numerous follow-up observations, the source of the "Wow" signal has never been identified, and it remains one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the possible existence of extraterrestrial intelligence. 7. The Taos Hum. Since the early 1990s, people living in Taos, New Mexico, have been hearing a mysterious low-frequency humming noise. This sound, often described as a persistent droning, has puzzled both residents and researchers alike. Despite many investigations, no one has been able to pinpoint the exact source of the Taos Hum. Several theories have been proposed to explain the hum. Some people think it might be caused by industrial equipment operating nearby. Others suggest that it could be due to seismic activity or natural movements in the Earth's crust. There are also theories that the hump could be a result of psychological factors, with some people being more sensitive to certain sounds than others. However, none of these explanations have been proven, and the Taos hum remains an unsolved mystery. Researchers have used various scientific methods to try to detect and measure the hum, but so far, they have not been able to find a definitive cause. The hum continues to be a source of intrigue and frustration for those who hear it, as well as for scientists trying to solve the puzzle. 8. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers led by Igor Dyatlov perished mysteriously in the Ural Mountains of Russia. Their tent was found ripped open from the inside, and their bodies were discovered at varying distances from the campsite, some showing signs of severe physical trauma. Soviet investigators concluded that an unknown compelling force had caused the deaths, but the exact circumstances remain unclear. Theories range from avalanche and infrasound to military tests and paranormal activity. The Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of the most baffling unsolved mysteries in modern history. 9. The Mary Celeste. The Mary Celeste was an American merchant ship discovered adrift in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872, without any crew on board and with its cargo mostly untouched. The ship itself was in good condition, showing no signs of struggle or foul play. This strange discovery has led to numerous theories about what happened to the crew. Some suggest piracy or mutiny, while more fantastical ideas include alien abduction. Despite extensive investigations over the years, the true fate of Mary Celeste's crew remains unknown, making it one of the most enduring mysteries in maritime history. 10. The Black Dahlia Murder. In 1947, the body of Elizabeth Short, known posthumously as the Black Dahlia, was found mutilated in Los Angeles. The brutality of the murder and the lack of clues led to widespread media coverage and public fascination. Despite an extensive investigation and numerous suspects, the killer was never identified. The Black Dahlia case remains one of America's most famous unsolved murders, continuing to intrigue both true crime enthusiasts and detectives. Each of these mysteries captivates the imagination and highlights the limits of human understanding. They remind us that despite advances in science and technology, some questions remain unanswered, sparking endless curiosity and investigation. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.